Do you know how glass on building facades affects migratory birds? Hi, my name is JB, and I'm going to show you the threats and solutions for bird-friendly glazing with laminated glass. Follow me. Birds are a crucial component of the natural ecosystem. They play a vital role in plant dissemination and pollination. Birds are the most mobile creatures on Earth, often undertaking truly epic journeys. Twice a year, billions of birds migrate vast distances across the globe. The conservation of birds depends on international collaboration. Together, urbanization, habitat encroachment, higher structures, and a greater prevalence of glazing have created a grave hazard to birds. Therefore, we must keep this in mind during our design process. Birds do not perceive glass the way we do. These are the factors that are dangerous to birds when using glass: reflection, transparency, black hole or passage effect, building size, reflective vegetation, light. Despite the magnitude of the problem, there are now solutions available that can reduce bird mortality without compromising architectural standards. We have two amazing solutions, one with Trocifol PVB and the second one with Sentry-Glass. First, you need to apply a regular clear interlayer and then our bird secure interlayer. From a distance of more than 3 meters, the dot pattern disappears. Thanks for watching, and visit Trocifol.com for more information.